Lecture 5: Uses of the Internet. After learning this lecture, students will be able to describe the uses of the Internet, summarize the Internet's safety and security rules. Hello kids! Today, we're going to learn about the amazing uses of the Internet. The Internet helps us in so many ways and makes our lives easy and fun. Let's find out how we can use it. What are the uses of the Internet? The Internet has many uses. People use it to make their daily tasks faster and easier. Companies use it to become more productive, and individuals use it to stay comfortable and informed. Quick question: can you think of some ways the Internet helps you? Let's explore it together. World Wide Web. The World Wide Web, or web, is the most popular service on the Internet. It has websites, blogs, and even wikis like Wikipedia, where you can learn many new things. Did you know that anyone can see web pages on the Internet? Some pages might need a password or be blocked, but most are easy to access for everyone. Electronic mail. Another great use of the Internet is email or electronic mail. Emails allow people to talk to each other quickly. You can send messages, images, videos, and even documents using email. It's a super fast way to share information and stay connected with friends and family. Research. The Internet is also very important for research. Long ago, finding information was hard because people had to search through many books. But now with the Internet, you can find answers in just a few clicks. It saves time and helps us learn about anything we want to know. Online banking. The Internet has made banking easy too. You can manage your bank account without leaving home. People use online banking to transfer money, change ATM pins, apply for credit cards, and even track their transactions. This means you can do a lot of banking tasks while sitting comfortably at home. Education. The Internet is a great tool for education. It helps you learn about any topic. You can find study materials in the form of videos, images, or documents using search engines. Learning is now faster, easier, and more fun with the Internet. Job hunting. Looking for a job is now super simple. With the Internet, you can search for jobs that suit you. Long ago, people had to visit companies one by one. But now, you can find jobs from your home with just a few clicks. Social networking. The Internet also allows us to connect with others through social networking. You can create groups, share your thoughts, and exchange ideas with people all over the world. Social networking platforms are full of content. Some are educational, and some are just for entertainment. Entertainment. The Internet is also a great place for entertainment. You can watch your favorite movies, play fun online games, or listen to songs. There are so many options to relax and have fun with just a click. File transfer. Do you know you can share files using the internet? File transfer is a way to send data or large files safely. For this, we use FTP, which stands for File Transfer Protocol. FTP helps people send large files that are too big for emails. It's a fast and secure way to exchange information between people or businesses. Advertising. The internet is also used for advertising. Many businesses promote their products or services online because so many people use the internet. They can do free promotions or pay for advertisements. It's the best way to let people know about new things online. Navigation. Have you ever used Google Maps to find your way? That's called navigation. With the help of the internet, you can search for any location on an online map. It shows you all the details about the place and helps you get there without getting lost. Super helpful, right? Internet safety and security. The internet is amazing, but we must use it safely. Internet safety and security are very important. To stay safe, we must be respectful. Be kind to others online. Be responsible. Use the internet wisely. Be safe. Protect yourself and your information. Basic internet rules for children. Here are 8 basic rules for staying safe on the internet. Never share your personal information like your name, address, or phone number. Do not post your photos on public websites. Don't talk to strangers online. Never open emails from people you don't know. Don't respond to hurtful or bullying messages. Report bad messages to a trusted adult. Don't meet people you've only talked to online. Set time limits for using the internet. The internet is a magical place full of learning, fun, and important tools. But remember to use it wisely and safely. Follow these rules and you'll enjoy all the benefits the internet has to offer. Thank you.